All right, keep it coming back. Slow now. Watch your clearance on the left.
The process starts by creating a concentrated syrup. Precise control ensures consistency in every batch. Water quality defines the foundation of every drink. Our reverse osmosis systems purify water to the highest beverage standards, ensuring unparalleled purity before UV sterilization.
Batch code 4902, seal intact.
Confirmed. Ready for storage.
Carbon dioxide provides the signature fizz of cold drinks.
Inside the factory, ingredients begin their transformation.
The drink's identity is created during blending.
Complex flavor systems combine under controlled conditions. The finished syrup now moves toward its final transformation. The finished syrup now moves toward its final transformation. Next, the beverage receives the sparkling character recognized around the world. Clean packaging is essential for product safety.
Every label must be placed with perfect precision.
Smart cameras verify every printed code for readability and accuracy. Rejected bottles are automatically removed from production.